Thanks for coming back. Actually, I don't know what part this is because a lot of the videos that I've taken, this Canon camera will split them in two parts. So what I think is part 2 might be part 3. So I won't say the parts in the beginning. So whatever part this is, we did it a little differently. It took a minute to upload these to my computer, and we didn't have time to waste. It looks like it's 10 minutes to 7. We want to try to unload it before the sun goes down. So we unload it as much as we can. I'm going to take the camera off the tripod and I'm going to scan them. All right. And then basically I'll scan it slow so everyone can see. Ones on this side are parts machine, and I'll scan the parts machine, put it back on the tripod, and we'll look at some of the showroom pieces. Here we go. We got some foot pedals. We to make things easier on these parts machines, we remove the foot pedals. They're not all wrapped around. All right, we'll start with this. We'll start with this one row at a time. I thought I was gonna do 3 rows. Get a little closer here. Sorry if I'm going a little too fast. We'll start from back here. We determine they're ready by looking at them and reading the tags. These are all parts machines. Sorry, some of them are backwards. Kenmore, Universal. I could do 2 rows at a time from here. I'll just go real slow. 99's a little busted up. Kenmore. Here's white. It looks like one of them Kenmore Grisner machines. All right, I think we're done. And then these were determined that these were parts too. We got a few more slant part models. We got Rocketeers missing the top covers. They're all in the parts section. All parts machines. There's that. All right, we're done with that. We're going to show up some of the showroom machines here real quick. Actually, we can move it up. Okay. Pretty nice 66. And a white, and a 127. I gotta turn this around so I can see what's going on. If you want to take those in, I could put them up on the table. You just take them in as I do them.
This one?
Yeah, any one of them. Oh, I can't. It's the 120 model, Kenmore. The one they advertise needs no oil. These are parts machines. Oh no, these are showroom machines. Yep. National. These are the ones we determined going to the showroom. Just to clarify. Franklin. These are the ones we actually picked out of the parts machines, and I just Franklin. Universal. right car. Blue one. Starting to feel that on my fingers. They got that on top. They're old. They normally, no matter what they look like, they go in the showroom. They're real old. Carmen, what's the name of that decals? I don't know. I should know this. What's that decal? Sure. That'd be wonderful. You got cash? Where are you gonna go? You know, there's a good place on if you want to drive 5 minutes, or are you gonna go to Big Chuck's or something? Oh, if you want to, there's a place that way. You know where the bait store is at? Is that what you want to do? That's fine. That's cool. All right. Yeah, just cheeseburgers, right? My sister's getting some cheeseburgers for us. That was nice. 306 or 206. I think it's a 306 by the weight. Yep, 306K. Look at that little 3/4 machine. I think it says Brunswick. 3/4 machine. And the decals are kind of messed up, but I kept it. A pair of good-looking red eyes. A spaceship. How can anybody stick a Bernina in the corner? They had this in the corner in the purse machine. $500! Hey! Oh, I knew it. A FAF 1027. Yeah, another FAF, even though it was plastic. We're gonna test it first. We'll determine if they're parts machines. I knew you probably wouldn't be able to hear me. Some kids on some bikes. What is it? I can't read it. A FAF 1209. A Touchtronic 2000 in a baggie. 1591. Beautiful. There's gonna be a lot of these in parts machines. And this was in parts too, but, oh, I see. Busted tension assembly, that's no big deal. So we'll test it out. We'll determine. It has a tag. Let me see. The rating's too small. I can't read it. Did I say the rating's too small? The writing's too small. All right, trivia quiz. How many know what machine this is? And I'll give you a clue here. The shape of that. And look at the name. Okay. Ooh, and it's heavy. Okay, so it's either a 306, another 306K showroom. All right. Since this is such a short video, it was a good idea pulling them out. We're gonna walk up here. I apologize if it's a little bit shaky. And we got this shelf to move. Oh, I'm so glad I didn't buy a bunch more. And she said I had to take these par shelves first, and there's 7 of them back there. At least they're a little lighter. And I'm just gonna put them in the basement. No energy to deal with them. But look what we got to do yet. So lots more to do. Clock on the bank says 7 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Hope you're enjoying it. Many more videos to come. Please subscribe and like the videos.